What is banking industry going to look like in 2022? Ask this question to a bunch of people and you're likely to hear a lot of AI, virtual reality, robotics, and a place likely to be devoid of humans. Well, this could be true in the next 50 years, but certainly we don't expect this to happen by 2022.
Banking industry in India is $1.6 trillion industry. This growth has been fueled by world-class technology and deposits growth amid government's effort to bring the poorest people of India into the banking system. We have researched how the banking industry is going to take shape in the future by talking to industry experts and our professors. Now let us understand this through 5 lenses.
Firstly, in the Indian banking sector, there is a mismatch in the management of interest rate risk, with a fixed rate on the deposit side and floating rate on the lending side. Deposit money through fixed term instruments like fixed deposits or a savings bank account, you receive a fixed rate of interest. But when you take a home loan, banks lend you at a floating rate. Essentially, banks are asking their customers to manage the interest rate risk. We expect a change in this kind of banking practice. By 2022, banks will use the enhanced tools to manage this interest rate risk.
Many banks are starting to explore blockchain as a possible solution to speed up transactions, increase security and transparency, and to cut costs. Blockchain would allow customers to own and grant access to single digital identity, enabling quicker onboarding of new customers, share copies of legal agreements, electronic audit trail of assets, and easier compliance to KYC norms.
Traditional jobs like passbook updating, cash deposit, verification of KYC details, salary uploads are going digital, causing redundant jobs. The growth of branch network in India will halve down to 3% in 2022 from the current 6% in 2017. So, where will all the jobs go?
The future of banking is about advisory and consultation rather than focusing on transactions. The new age bankers and bank managers would have to marry technology with a human touch. Banks would require an army of people in the rural areas to bring the last buck into the formal economy. Such customers need hand-holding right from the application stage to the payment stage, and we need people on the floor for that.
The entire banking paradigm is about change, with the main focus on becoming customer-centric in terms of both offering and banking interface. This would involve analyzing one's social media activity and demographic parameters.
We expect a lot of banks to increase their global footprint. Currently, only one Indian bank in India features in the top 50 by assets. This, ladies and gentlemen, is our vision for the Indian retail banking industry by 2022.